Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to answer again the age problem part 2, grade 7. Okay, number 5 problem. Alan is 2 more than 3 times older than his daughter Algin. In 15 years, he will be twice as old as his daughter. What are their present ages? So the problem asking for the present age of Alan and Algin. And there is a lot of confusing words that we're going to translate like 2 more than 3 times. And now, who is the X in this problem? So we're going to determine by using representation. Okay, our solution, our representation of let us assume or let x be the present age of Algin, 3x plus 2 be the present age of Alan. Then, and the problem involved future years. So, we're going to consider this. So, age 15 years from now. So, we're going to add this 15 years to their present age. That's why the age of Algin is x plus 15 and the age of Alan is 3x plus 2 plus 15. And we have other relationship stated in the problem. Alan is 2 more than 3 times the older than his daughter. So in this equation, we're going to, at the left side, our equation is 3x plus 2 plus 15 equals 2x plus 15. This 2x plus 15 came from the other relationship. So at the left side is the age of Alan, and the right side is the age of Algin. So after that, we're going to solve now the equation. Our equation is 3x plus 2 plus 15 equals 2, then x plus 15. Then we're going to simplify 3x plus 15, 2 plus 15 equals 17. Then equals, so we're going to apply the distributive property just to remove the parentheses. 2 times x equals 2x and 15 times 2 equals 30. Then simplify again. Before we're going to simplify, we're going to transpose all the variables at the left side of the equation and the constant to the right side. So 3x, then we're going to transpose 2x to the left side, becomes now negative 2x equals 30. Then we're going to transpose the positive 17 to the right side of the equation, becomes now negative 17. And we're going to simplify 3x minus 2x equals x equals 30 minus 17 equals 13. So if we're going to check, the age of Algin is 15 and the age of Alan is 41. It came from 3x plus 2. We're going to substitute 3 times 13 equals 39 plus 2 equals 41. Okay, next problem, number 6. Maylene is 2 years older than Gerry. 6 years ago, Gerry's age will be twice Maylene's age. How old are they now? So asking for the present age. So our solution is we have to make first representation. Let x be the present age of Gerry because we do not know the age of Gerry. And Maylene is already identified 2 years older than Gerry, so that's why Gerry is x. That's why our expression is x plus 2 with the present age of Maylene. And this problem involved past years, so we're going to consider that 6 years ago. So that's why the age of Gerry, we're going to subtract. And past years, we're going to subtract from the present age of Gerry. Since Gerry is x, so we have to minus 6 years. The age of Maylene, x plus 2 minus 6 also. And we have to look for other relationship stated in the problem. Gerry is equals to age will be twice Maylene's age. So the age of Maylene, if we're going to minus 2 minus 6 equals negative 4. So that's why our other relationship Gerry is equals to double the difference of x and negative and x and 4. And then our equation, since this age problem comparing the age of Gerry and Maylene, so x minus 6 now is the age of Gerry equals to the age of Maylene, which is 2 to the difference of x and 4. And after the equation, we have to solve the equation. We have to copy again the equation. X minus 6 equals 2 double the difference of x and 4. Then x minus 6 equals, we are going to use the distributive property. We have to multiply 2 times x equals 2x. Then 2 times negative 4, we have negative 8. And then transpose. The next is we have to transpose all the variable to the left side of the equation and all the constant to the right side of the equation. And now we're going to transpose positive 2x to the left side. It becomes now x minus 2x equals negative 8. We have to bring down, and we have to transpose negative 6 to the right side of the equation. Becomes now positive 6. And after that, we're going to simplify. X minus 2x equals negative x equals negative 8 plus 6 equals negative 2. And then, since we have negative x, we are going to divide it by negative 1 both sides. So the result now, negative x divided by negative 1 equals x. Then x equals negative 2 divided by 1 equals positive 2. If we are going to check, the percentage of Gerry is 2. The percentage of Maylene is 4. It came from x plus 2 equals 2 plus 2 equals 4. The discount and interest problems, grade 7. Okay, the first problem, I want to earn 20,000 pesos in 1 year. At what rate should I invest my 200,000 pesos? So, it's stated in the problem that asking for the rate of investment. So the first thing we do is to pick up or write down all the given. The given is interest, 20,000. The time of transaction is 1 year. Principal amount, 200,000. And the missing is the rate. So in this situation, so we can use the very common formula, I equals PRT. I stands for the interest, and P stands for the principal, which is the amount, and rate is the, R is for the rate, and T for the time. And time is expressed in 1 year. Okay, we have to solve now. We will use the formula I equals PRT. So we have to substitute. The interest given is 20,000, and the P is the 200,000, and R is not given, and the time is 1 year. So we have to multiply this 200 times R times 1. So that's why we have 200,000 R, and at the left side of the equation, just bring down 20,000. And then we're going to divide it, both sides of the equation, by 200,000 in order to have the R. R is the rate. So 200,000 divided by 200,000 equals to 1. So that's why we have R. And 20,000 divided by 200,000, we have 0.1. Then since we are computing for the rate, we're going to multiply this by 100. So 0.1 times 100 is equivalent to R equals 10%. So our complete answer now, 10% is the rate for the investment of 200,000 pesos with a 20,000 interest in 1 year. Okay, next problem, number 2. A 20% discount is all services is offered to the first 50 customers of a newly opened parlor. If a putti spa costs of 500 pesos, how much will a customer pay if avails the discount? So this problem asking for the amount that we're going to pay after the discount. Okay, so first we're going to pick up all the given so that we can analyze what we're going to do. So the sales discount given is 20% and the cost is 500. And plan what to do. So we're going to multiply. So multiplication. So, but before we're going to multiply, we're going to minus 100% minus the 20% discount. So the remaining is 80% percent, which is called sales difference. Now then, we have to multiply 500 from the cost times 80%. So this 80%, if we're going to use manually, so 500 times it becomes 0.80. Then our product is 4 pesos. So the customer should pay 400 pesos. Okay.